Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have an almost brand new 2019 Yamaha R3. This bike only has 643 miles and is offered for $41.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. It's basically a stock bike. The previous owner actually did one really nice upgrade, which is a fender eliminator kit here on the back. Just kind of cleans up the tail end, makes it look real nice and tight back there. First service was done, oil change was done on it, safety check, and she's all dialed in and ready to go. This bike is great for beginners or people who want to commute into the city or just looking for a first-time bike. It's an awesome bike made by Yamaha. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.